up, everybody? It's your boy J Cruz, aka known as the AUDIOZONE. Always want to thank you guys for watching. Always thank you guys for the support. Today, I had to call Reel over to the shop today because today I took delivery of something that nobody is expecting to have. It was time to walk into a luxury. Let's talk about it, Reel. It was time to get into a luxury car, man. Something that's like different. You know what I'm saying? I like the sports car scene, man, but my wifey don't like it too much. So we decided to look for a car for a little while. We ordered about 7 months ago. It came in today, and I'm going to reveal it to the channel today.
I think he was, when I brought that Cybertruck over here, I think it kind of,
I didn't want to tell you nothing, but I already had it pre-ordered at that point.
You know what I'm saying?
I just didn't want to tell nobody, man. So let me let you know, to get this car, I sold my son. That's why you don't see him here no more, Chris. He's not around him. I had to get rid of him, man. But you know what?
Yeah, we sold him.
But
to
this, I don't know if we should. In fact, it's my guy, my tenor here, man. Meet up Jose. That's my son. He's not happy because it's fast, but not fast enough. He loves it. It's a full electric car. I paused this video here, and I'm gonna give y'all a few seconds to go ahead and figure out what kind of electric car I bought it. I'm gonna give him a chance. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding, ding dong, ding dong, ding, da 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 da, dee da dee da dee da dee, dum da dum 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 dum. Ready, guys? Boy, what y'all think, man? Took a Spectre from Rolls-Royce. I did keep the Viper, but they just delivered it to me here, man. In fact, let me see, my keys in my pocket here. In fact, let me show you on the other side. So yeah, we took ownership we took possession of this beautiful car, man. You can pop it open. Yup. Butterfly doors, backwards. Kept it with a two-door coupe because I like two-door cars. I don't know what y'all think about it.
Man, y'all ain't never seen nothing like this in y'all life.
Y'all, I got my temp tag. I'm not gonna show y'all much of that.
Two-door car you gonna ever come across.
So just like we always do, Reel, let's go for the first ride together.
Man, let's do it.
Let's go. Let's go for this ride, man.
I'm not driving.
I got you. Hold on, y'all. Let me get inside the baby girl and get this going. Show y'all something special about this car. So one thing that is unique about this car, y'all, it does have a star ceiling factory from Rolls-Royce. The door over there, we got a button, y'all. I hit my button inside here. Boom. My door closed. Reel's door is open over there. Same thing. Hit the button.
Bam! No hands.
Just like that, Reel.
You do it with no hands.
I'm pulling out another level. You know what I'm saying? Something totally different. Something everybody else. But now let's go for the first ride on the bad boy. She is on. She got your welcome. This is the Spectre, y'all.
My boy, AUDIOZONE took delivery of a Spectre. Come on, bro.
But with y'all, man, I mean, you know,
it
was that time, man. It was the time. It was the time to go into a luxury car.
Come on, now.
The car was time to get into something different, something that was actually going to be a luxury car, something we could enjoy and just chill. You know what I'm saying?
Chill. And it still got speed.
I know.
It ain't just slow, y'all. Now these electric cars is kind of warming up to me.
Little by little, me too, man.
Man, seriously.
Oh, I made my decision. I'm like, hell with it. But I want to do something different.
A car like this, you don't even want to hear no noise from it.
Bro, look, right now we just cruising here. I
didn't even know it was crunk. To be honest, my boy is turning my wheels. my boy, you spinning my wheels. I put weights on them. They don't spin no more. Oh, hey, now this joint got some power.
It definitely does, man. Ooh. Sometimes you have to be crazy with it.
Man, bro.
So now let's go for our first little ride.
And you got to open up your eyes, because in a million years, what you thought we'll be driving all these crazy cars we've been driving, though?
No, we were talking about that last night. Like, bro, from where we came and where we at is something that's totally different from everything else. You want to give it a little hit?
Hold on, wait till you get right here.
Y'all ready to see a hit?
Come on.
That thing's so
feel like the Cybertruck.
Yeah, it's electric.
Yeah.
It's electric.
It's no gear, no
nothing.
switching,
just keep on going.
It just goes.
It just goes. Yeah, so this is an amazing.
But this is a big boat, though.
It is
it's way heavier than that Cybertruck.
Way heavier than the Cybertruck. But it's I mean, just look at the luxury. Look, right now I want to pull up to the light and tell people, do you got some grape Poupon?
Hey, do you got some fine swine with that wine?
Yo, you know what? Let's pull up to somebody asking for some grape Poupon.
Pull up, you know, he gives the best reaction.
Who? Adam?
Adam.
Yeah.
You gonna say what you got now, Real? Nope, this AUDIOZONE this time. This is not me. Hey, I didn't do it this time. Ooh, look at that old school on the back of that.
Bro,
72 colors.
Yeah.
It's just a hard top.
Yeah, you got the vert.
I got the vert.
Hold it level.
Man,
I had a good time last night, man.
Man, I had a wonderful time.
I really did.
For you guys that didn't catch that video, make sure you guys catch that video on either channel. Holy, my boy.
But bro, it's just
we had good times, and it reminded me of the old days when we was right over there.
The old
right over there. You know, when we used to leave from there, meet up there, and then we go to the car meet, and just, man, it was just so much going on back then. And it's like, I feel like we lost that time of our lives, and it's time to get that back, bro, because we was growing like crazy.
Back to the basics, brother.
Yup, back to the basics, bro. Like we never left.
Look, Adam's here.
Adam smell money. Adam gonna pop up. Adam gonna pop up. Look at him. He gonna be like, well,
where's Adam?
What you think now, my boy?
Huh? None of them here? Kareem either?
Well, he here.
You like it?
My boy down here. It's a Rolls Royce, huh? What's not to like, my boy?
It's white on white, man. I mean, my wife liked it this way, so that's why I got it.
With the red?
Congratulations. A little bit of red, just minor red. It wasn't too much red. She didn't want to, you know, just something simple, classy to go out and chill. You know what I'm saying? Just relax. So now this comes out on the weekends, you know what I'm saying, or whenever there is an event, you know what I'm saying. You just go, you pull up, and you do your thing. I gotta take him out. Cause we go. You married? Yeah. Yeah. He will be married when we go hang out.
He will. You gonna jump out of here, boy, and everybody gonna flock you then.
Tell Adam to call me when he gets a chance, puppy. Okay. No problem.
All right, my boy.
Let's go full reverse. Your work on the car, man. Digital dash. Yeah, I'm gonna put it for real. Digital dash, 360 camera, obviously. You can actually change in this car the way you want the top to be, the bottom. You can change everything separated. It's pretty simple. They make it a simple layout, but yet there's still a lot of technology involved, which makes it different from everything else. You know what I'm saying? You look at the stars, that's OEM. This ain't done. This is OEM. Original. And there's stars in the doors.
Stars in the doors, too.
You got stars in the doors, too. Everything in the car is very exquisite, as they say. I love it, man.
This is dope.
I want to go out tonight just to go play with people.
Jeff, I'm telling you, like, what's so crazy?
We're just gonna go out. Now I can go hang out with CJ and look okay. Now I can pull up with CJ and look okay. Look about
yeah.
Now I can pull up, you know, and look decent there next to CJ. You know what I'm saying?
And skirt without them even knowing.
Listen, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it to the tint bay because I just got it. So I want to get this thing tinted as fast as possible. You know what? I got a question for you. I think that this car doesn't need to be too dark because you kind of want to have the presence of you in the car. You want to enjoy that, right? So I think I'm gonna do maybe a 35 in the sides, the 5 in the back, and the 7 in front. Keep it kind of classy. Yeah. Give me a little privacy in the back glass and the 7. Yeah. I think that's what I'm gonna do to her. Because that way, I mean, you know, and it's not trying to be crazy, man. But when you make this kind of investment, you want to get seen. You want to be seen driving your car. This is an accomplishment. Like, this is something that people have goals, and to be able to have it and enjoy it like this right now, it just makes it, you know, better. So I'm gonna take it to the tint bay, and I'm gonna have him go ahead and tint up my car. But man, I tell you one thing, it's a different feeling, man.
It's a definitely different feeling.
Like, right, you don't even feel those bumps too much.
Nothing.
It's amazing.
I'm talking about smooth. They went crazy with this. Is that a brick?
Excuse me.
Is that a brick?
Do you have any Grey Poupon? Can you find me some Grey Poupon? What kind of Grey Poupon do you have, my friend? What can you get? Huh? With a fallopian tube extract juice?
With a little bit of cheese and crackers?
With the Malta. Jose, you got time to tin it up? Go tint it up.
Is that a brick right there, or that's a bag?
That's a brick.
Is that a brick or a bag? Oh, shit. I thought it was a brick. Man, this thing's so smooth and just elegant. Like this you don't want this to be powerful.
Listen, after driving around the Viper last night and running this.
After shitting myself last night, my boy. Come on, man. We ain't even gonna speak on it.
Y'all need to watch that video. Bro. I'm gonna have mine edited soon. I know he's gonna have his before mine. But we went out last night like we did in the old days, man. We went out playing around with the guys and playing with the car community. Real got to see a real hit in the Viper for the first time. And you have to watch the live reaction.
Never in history have I felt a car that fast. I don't give a damn how many decades I've been on Earth. I never felt nothing that fast. Ever.
She is fast. Check this out, y'all. Can I get to open my door? And my car's open. That's going to bother me for a minute. Because I'm not going to be able to get used to that real quick. Let me get real over there, get on his car.
Just making sure.
Just pop it. Yeah, just pop it right there.
That's the left window.
Just hit the door handle.
Nah, I'm just making sure.
One, and then two to unlock it. Just pull it open. Was that something they could have done?
It's supposed to be easy touch.
Yeah, I don't know, man. I'm not gonna take that
but
back.
I think you're supposed to swing it hard enough, though. But
y'all see that?
I mean, you don't need that much room and space.
No, but this right here, I'm scared about parking in public because the door's really open here, man. This here is kind of, yeah, because you could be smacking people. And for y'all that don't know, you're gonna get rained on. I just hit my button here and pull out my Rolls Royce umbrella here, and then one over there I'm gonna show y'all right now. Lock it in position.
Bro, the floor mats even feel like money. I can sleep on the floor.
Bro, if they don't see this,
bro,
I'm gonna show y'all. Look,
sleep on the floor.
It's really thick. It's like, really, really thick.
You can't wear nothing. Like, just take the shoes
Did we do something real? Did we do
there.
something?
Come on, man. You went all the way, full gusto.
Well, now, send it real quick here at the shop, man. All done up. But I'm gonna do 35. I'm gonna keep it light here. I'm gonna do 5 in the back and 7 in the front. So I'm gonna give it to my guy real quick. And just tell me when it's ready. I'll come back and pick it up because I don't want nobody driving it, man. But I am excited. I want to see what she looks like. Time didn't give us enough to do the windshield today, man. But I am excited to pick it up, man. I'm gonna go cruising and just see what's going on, man. But I'm here with my boy Josh. We're going over there in the beautiful Hyundai. Yeah, we're gonna go pick up this this car, man. You know what I'm saying? And it picks up for you now. Yeah. Floor it.
It's just that delay.
Yeah, it was turbo, man. You got that boost, boost. What they call that? Boost lag.
Boost lag, yeah.
But here, let's go see how she's looking. If we pick it up from the tin bay here. I'll get back in my car, man.
I ain't seen it with the doors open.
Oh yeah, I don't like this, man. Oh, he's taking pictures and stuff with the car. All right.
Hey, quit capping, bro.
Hey, man, get off of that, man.
Quit capping.
Bro, I want you to know that when I picked up the car, I asked them, you know how much that umbrella is?
20 grand.
$20,000 for that umbrella.
That's what I was doing.
Like, and it is what it is.
To see if it has like a emblem or something.
It more than likely, I don't want to even open it. I want to leave it the way it is because I don't want to mess it up. I got a question. What do you think about the new car we just bought?
That's nice.
You like it? You think I deserve it?
Yes.
I work hard. Montoya, you think I deserve it, man?
Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying? I'm about to take her out for her first ride right now and see what happens, man. Maybe one night I'll let him go take you out for dinner. But he got to take you to McDonald's or Burger King. Got to take you somewhere nice, like, something elegant, you know what I'm saying? But, bro, the tint looks great. I did 35 in the side, so it gives that clean, beautiful look. And I did 5 in the back for the privacy. Let me see what it looks like closed, Montoya. Let's see how this came out. You see, I like that because it's clean and subtle. It's elegant, you know what I'm saying? They kept the car elegant. You can still see the stars in the doors and everything. I love it. Good job, Montoya. Now, we're gonna go out to the shop and get ready to go home and enjoy the time with the wife. I'm ready to go into the shop and get ready to go, man. I hope y'all enjoy it. Man, it's something that's exotic. Man, look at the details, man. I'm blessed today to even just be in this car, man, to be honest with y'all. But I am going to tell you something at this point in time. This is not my car. I did this as a clickbait just to mess with y'all, man. But you know what? Clickbait, whatever, y'all can be mad, man. But no, this is actually a good friend of mine's car. I've been doing all of his car for a long time. He brought it to the shop. He gives me car. This guy is just a great friend of mine. And he brought it to the shop to get the tint job done, which we completed. And you know, I told him I'm gonna make this video and play with y'all and so on. So I'm sorry for y'all that got offended, but I just wanted y'all to watch a good video of some fun stuff, man, something different. But she is a gorgeous car, and it's a privilege to be able to even be in a 500,000 plus car, and they trust you with it. What that means to me is that we've created a name and a reputation that people trust them with the $500,000 of their car, man. So to me, it's a blessing and an accomplishment to be able to have this, man. I'm gonna go turn it into Arthur now. He's a good friend of mine, but it was clickbait, y'all. So now we're gonna introduce you to the real owner of the car, man. Good friend of mine, Mr. Arthur. Been dealing with him for a long time, my God. But Arthur, you mind being on the camera for a second?
Yeah, I'm good, man.
Boom. My boy Arthur, for a long time I know him, man, and he's the one that brought that car. I just told everybody it's not my car, it's your car.
Really? Okay.
But now I want you to show me some of the stuff that you know about your car.
Man.
I know you gotta go, but we're gonna make
I'm learning a little bit about it, but
this is your babies?
Yes.
Let's go see her. And I still can't figure out how to make the doors open by themselves. I want you to teach me what you know. So I know I can get the door and I hit the button and she opens up here. I gotta be close with the key.
yeah, do it again. Okay, yeah. Call the door. Yes, okay, you know what? I'm doing on this side. I'm still trying to learn, but
I know, man, but she's a beautiful thing to learn. You like the 35 in the side? Elegant, clean.
oh yeah.
You see that?
Yeah,
Clean, perfect, simple, clean, beautiful. Okay. So she gonna, that's what I can't figure out to open.
So these buttons right here.
Yeah, I got that to close. I can't figure to open the door.
Oh really? Okay. Man, I'm learning. So to close it,
To close it is here,
yeah.
but to open it from the inside, what I don't know. So this is what I was challenging on when I was trying to get into for the first time. I couldn't figure out how to open the door.
Yeah.
I mean, you hit the door here, but I thought it would go out. And it should, and I think it does.
I'm trying.
We just don't know, guys. As simple as that, man. But you know what, Arthur? On this video, I told everybody it was my car. It's not. This is Arthur's car. But I was telling him it's a privilege and honor to, you know, have him. You know, not only do I do his business, but he's also a friend. We've fellowshiped before. We've had some times together, and it's a privilege to have him in my life. He's a great guy, man. Great dude. You know, he's blessed. Besides that, though, he's just a real chill dude. Like, he's not big-headed. He's real good dude, man. And to have him around us too. Like, we were outside the back of the shop talking Bible right now.
Man,
you know, so I'm talking Bible, and I know him for a long time, and it's a privilege, and to see the blessing that you have is a beautiful thing, man. You know what I'm saying? This is God's favor. Like this, look at this, man. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, this is just a gorgeous thing. But I'm gonna release the car to him. It's not my car. I was just capping on y'all, but I'm playing with y'all. But I do want to tell y'all, man, it's a privilege that he trusts us to come work on his car. So to me, that's the privilege that we have, y'all. I'm gonna end this video telling y'all thank y'all for watching. I always thank y'all for the support. Y'all be good and God bless.